Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to make an epic travel montage in CapCut. Whether it's a vacation vlog or adventure clips, this edit will help your videos look cinematic and professional. Let's get started. First, open a CapCut and tap a new project. Here, select all the video travels or photos that you want to include to your montage and arrange them in order of your journey to smooth storytelling effect. Then, cut your clips to the best highlights by using a split tool. You can also add and tap audio and click sounds and pick a song or import your own. Then sync your cuts with a bit of the music for that cinematic montage feel. Then, you can also add transitions. Tap the white square icon between clips to add transitions. Choose smooth like cross dissolve, zoom, and more and keep them short. You can also enhance it with effects. Tap Effects and click Video Effects and add cinematic filters. Adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation, and also you can put text or titles and use stylish fonts or animate them for a modern travel vibe. And final touches, you can add a stickers, sound effects, and overlays if you want more personality. And that's it. You've just created a cinematic travel montage in CapCut. Now you can share your adventure with your friends or family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!